everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Lanese, and I blend motivation with spirituality so that you can get the best benefit out of it. Today's video is how to use crystal points correctly. As you can see here, I have amethyst. It's a crystal point. Amethyst is a crystal that is heavily connected to the spiritual realm. And so a lot of people ask me how to do this, and I am so excited to dive into this video so that you can start using your crystal points and channeling the energy the right way so it can bring you massive success and abundance. Let's get started. The first thing that you want to know about a crystal is that the lower half is called the base. This part of it is called the body, and these are facets, the cuts. If your crystal has cuts, that's called facets. This top part on crystal points is called the face, and then this little tip is the point. So in spirituality, the way crystals work when it comes with crystal points, which is what this cut is called, these are channelers of energy. They can send energy out and they can send energy in. And when combining that with palmistry, you can use the symbol of the left and the right palm to bring energy in and out in different and unique ways. The left hand in palmistry is your inner self. It might be flipped on the camera because of the way that I'm filming it, but this is my left hand and this is your inner self. If I were to read these palm lines indicate that this is my inner self. This is how I act on the inside. This is my secrets, my reserved nature. On the other hand, literally, your right hand is your outer self. This is the person you show to the world. This is the way that you express yourself and navigate the world. This is the mask that you wear that blocks the hidden self, but it's also the charismatic self that you showcase to the world. The direction of your crystals channel energy in and out of your body. If you want to send energy into your body, you would place the crystal like this and place the point towards you. So from this angle, you would see the base first, and then the point would be going directly up and through me. And so what's happening here is energy from the universe is being channeled into my being spiritually. And if you don't believe in this, if you're like, really? Is that actually happening? Because I like motivation and spirituality, so I have like a practical side to me. But there's something called PSYCHOMAGIC, which I will link in the description box below. A psychologist came up with it, and he stated that this magic, this effect, this crystal doesn't actually have to be doing what I'm saying right here. There doesn't have to be some real spiritual stuff happening. But if you believe that, then it will. It's the same concept as to why people do things like journal, why people do things like write something out and then burn it as a cleansing mechanism. It's not necessarily that you wrote it out, you burned it, and then you let go of it. It's the act of doing something and setting the intention and thinking that it's going to come true, which basically is the placebo effect. So if you don't believe in crystals and crystal points and you don't really think this is happening, to some degree, it can happen for you. But if you look deep into crystals, we use them everywhere. On your phone screen, there is clear quartz. In ultrasound machines, there are crystals. Crystals are everywhere, and you don't realize that they're having these effects on you. So moving along, you place the crystal point here, energy's flowing into you. Now, when you put it on your left palm and energy's flowing up into you, you are helping your hidden self get energy from the universe. When you put the point this way on your right hand and it flows into you, you are helping energy from your charismatic, the self that you put in front of people, getting energy from the universe. So if you want to build more charisma, but you don't feel connected spiritually, amethyst is a stone for spirituality. So you want to build charisma, which is a outer self thing. And so you set the intention, I'm pulling in spiritual energy to help with my charisma, and you can sit outside in nature and draw the energy from the universe. When you put it on your left hand, this is helpful to get rid of anxiety and stress and all of the things people can't see that's going on. So maybe it's a beautiful day outside and you want some of the day's energy to flow into you. You can sit outside and you can put two different crystals to flow into you on both hands. Or you can even do an energy channel where one is flowing in and the other is flowing out, and you're cleansing. Directing the point towards you is great for cleansing your energy. It's great for cleansing your soul, and it's great for getting energy from the outside world into your body. So anything like love, happiness, all of that. Holding the point facing outward, if you can see that, the base is here and the point is there, is sending energy out of your body. This is good when you want to send someone who might be hurting positive vibes, or send the world positive vibes. Or this is also good if you have a lot of negative energy trapped inside of you and you feel like you can't get it out. You put the crystal like this and you set the intention that your negative energy will flow out of you. But you can also set the intention that as it flows out of you, it changes from negative to positive. That way you're not just pumping negative energy into the universe. Putting it on different hands is going to do different things. If you feel like you are showing your negative energy and you want to get rid of it, put it on your right hand, because that is the side that you show to the world. If you feel like you have negative energy trapped inside of you and no one can see it, or this is good for trauma healing, anything hidden, put it on your left palm. So that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way until the end. If you gained any knowledge from this, please give this a like so more people can find this video. Subscribe to my channel if you like this content. And if you have any questions or any video requests, it really means a lot to me when you comment that down below. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way until the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.